Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to fix slow charging on any iPhone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just check the charging port on your iPhone and check if it is blocked by any dust or debris. Now, after you do that, the next step is to open settings, then tap on battery. From here, just tap on charging, and in charging, first of all, just disable optimize battery charging. From here, just select turn off. Now, when this option is enabled, it slows charging when battery reaches 80%. So that is why just disable this option. Now, after that, just disable clean energy charging. From here, just select off. Now, when this option is enabled, your iPhone only charges when low carbon emission electricity is available in your area. So that is why just disable this option and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, just make sure to use Apple's own adapter and charging cable to charge your iPhone. Now, if you're already using Apple's own original charger, just check if your charger is damaged or not. If your charger is damaged, just replace your charger. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. Now, to fix this issue, just open Settings, then tap on General. From here, just tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix slow charging on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.